guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal edit. Of course, you can also do this without animation, but this is the only kind of animation that I can find. Go to cutout and select auto cutout on the overlay. Then you're going to grab your text and you're going to put it in between the overlay and the background, and you're going to basically type whatever you want. I'm just going to type in the word reveal. I'm also going to select another color for that, maybe this one. And then I'm just going to kind of place it here. I'm going to make the font a little bit smaller. Whoops. And then I am going to right click and I'm just going to select create compound clip. Then I'm going to hit the mask button and I'm going to select horizontal and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Just going to place it here first. Add a keyframe, and when the person moves, you're going to kind of reveal it with them, or you can like go till the end, but it's less accurate, so it's easier to just do this like one by one, I guess. Whoops. There we go. And this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you felt like this was a helpful video, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!